Hyoid bone. The hyoid bone is not actually a part of the skull. It is U-shaped and is located in the front of the neck between the mandible and the larynx, at the level of the third cervical vertebra. It is a unique bone as it does not articulate with any other bone in the body, but is suspended from the styloid process by the sternohyoid ligaments. Parts. The hyoid bone consists of 5 parts: a body, a pair of greater cornua or horns, and a pair of lesser cornua. Body. It is elongated and quadrilateral in shape. The body presents with 2 surfaces, anterior and posterior, and 2 lateral extremities. The anterior surface is convex and faces forwards and upwards. Its upper part is crossed by a transverse line or ridge, and in many cases a vertical median ridge divides the body into 2 lateral halves. The posterior surface is smooth and concave. It faces backwards and downwards. The posterior surface of the hyoid bone is separated from the epiglottis by the thyrohyoid membrane. A bursa intervenes between the bone and the membrane. The lateral extremities of the body on each side are continuous with the greater cornu. In early life, the lateral extremities are connected with the greater cornu by a cartilage, but later on they are united by bone. Greater cornu. Each greater cornu projects backwards and upwards from the lateral side of the body of this bone. It diminishes in size from before backwards. Each cornu is flattened and has an upper and lower surface, and medial and lateral borders. It ends posteriorly in a tubercle. When the neck is relaxed, the 2 greater cornua can be gripped in vivo between the index finger and the thumb, and the hyoid bone can be moved from side to side. Lesser cornu. Each lesser cornu is a small conical bony projection that is attached to the junction of the body and the greater cornu. It projects upwards and laterally. The stylohyoid ligament is attached to the tip of the lesser cornu and is sometimes ossified. Ossification. The upper half of the body and the lesser cornua of the hyoid bone are derived from the cartilages of the second pharyngeal arch. The lower half of the body and the greater cornua are derived from the cartilages of the third pharyngeal arch. The hyoid bone ossifies from 6 centers. 1 center appears in each greater cornu near the end of fetal life. 2 centers appear in the body at the time of birth. 2 centers appear in the lesser cornu only around puberty. Clinical correlation. In suspected cases of death, an examination of the hyoid bone is of great medical legal significance, as a fracture of the hyoid bone in such cases suggests death by throttling or strangulation. The tip of the greater cornu can be palpated in a relaxed neck near the anterior border of the sternocleidomastoid, midway between the laryngeal prominence and the mastoid process. The lingual artery forms a loop above the greater cornu, hence the later forms an important surgical landmark for locating the lingual artery for ligation in radical surgery of the neck.